Hello everyone, today I'd like to do an unboxing of this Allinside hexagonal plant stand. I'm going to also show you how it looks after it has been set up. So I just opened the box and that's what you get in the box. The manual, which explains how you can, set up your plant stand. Very detailed instructions on how you can set it up. There are also some videos online on how to set it up, so you can easily find this information. Gloves for that. These are all the parts that you needed: the screwdriver, and Tata is here, always curious. Also this little thing that will help you to put everything in place, all the screws needed, all the connectors. Well, everything is in there. Just make sure to follow the instructions and you should be good. And this is also for your plants, like after you set it up. And now I'm going to show you how it looks after it has been set up.